Productivity and gaming in 2025. In 2025, the world of laptops has reached new heights, catering to professionals who need robust productivity tools and gamers who demand high-performance machines. With technological advancements like AI-driven optimization and enhanced GPU power, the market is brimming with devices that strike the perfect balance between work and play. If you're looking for the best laptops for productivity and gaming in 2025, here's what you need to know. Show 1. The rise of hybrid laptops. Hybrid laptops have taken center stage in 2025, seamlessly blending productivity-focused features with gaming-grade hardware. Leading this trend is the Dell XPS 15 Gaming Edition, equipped with Intel's 5th-gen processors and NVIDIA's RTX 5000 series GPUs. With a 4K OLED touchscreen, this laptop ensures crisp visuals for gaming and accurate color reproduction for creative professionals. The XPS 15 Gaming Edition also boasts a slim, lightweight design, making it ideal for on-the-go productivity. Its battery life exceeds 12 hours under standard workloads, ensuring you can power through your day without interruptions. AI-powered optimization. Laptops like the Lenovo Legion Pro X leverage AI to optimize performance based on your tasks. This laptop automatically adjusts power allocation between the CPU and GPU, ensuring seamless transitions from spreadsheet crunching to intense gaming sessions. The Legion Pro X features a 16-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth experience for gamers while maintaining a professional aesthetic for work environments. Its AI-driven cooling system ensures the laptop remains quiet and cool even during extended gaming marathons. 3. Portable powerhouses. If portability is a priority, the Razer Blade 14 2025 edition is an excellent choice. Packed with AMD's latest Ryzen 9000 series processors and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, this compact laptop punches above its weight. The Blade 14 features a sleek aluminum chassis, a stunning mini-LED display, and a battery that supports up to 10 hours of mixed use. Whether you're editing videos or battling opponents in fast-paced games, this laptop delivers exceptional performance without compromising portability. 4. Productivity meets gaming with MacBook Pro. Apple's MacBook Pro 2025 M4 Max is a testament to how far MacBooks have come in gaming. While traditionally not known for gaming, the M4 Max chip brings unprecedented GPU power to the MacBook lineup, allowing users to play AAA titles with ease. For productivity, the MacBook Pro remains unparalleled. Its Liquid Retina XDR display and macOS ecosystem make multitasking a breeze. Professionals who rely on video editing, graphic design, or coding will appreciate its efficiency and long battery life. 5. Affordable excellence. Budget-conscious buyers should consider the Asus TUF F15 2025. This laptop combines affordability with impressive specs, including Intel's Core i7-14700H and an NVIDIA RTX 4050. Its Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gaming performance, while its lightweight design makes it suitable for work. The TUF F15 is also known for its durability, meeting MIL STD 810H standards, which is a bonus for those constantly on the move. 6. Ultra-premium options. For those seeking the ultimate laptop experience, the Alienware Exynos R2 is a dream machine. With a massive 17.3-inch 4K display, Intel Core i9-5900HK processor, and NVIDIA RTX 5090, this laptop is designed for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise. Its customizable RGB keyboard, advanced cooling system, and high refresh rate make it a standout choice for gamers, while its performance capabilities ensure it handles demanding productivity tasks effortlessly. 7. Sustainability and longevity. Sustainability has become a key factor in 2025, and laptops like the HP Spectre X360 Eco Edition reflect this trend. Built with recycled materials and featuring an energy-efficient OLED display, this laptop is perfect for eco-conscious users. The Spectre X360 doesn't skimp on power, offering Intel's 14th-gen processors and Intel Arc GPUs. Its convertible design makes it versatile for both work and casual gaming. Conclusion. The best laptops for productivity and gaming in 2025 cater to a diverse range of needs, blending cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design. Whether you're a professional seeking a reliable workhorse, a gamer looking for high-performance hardware, or someone who needs a mix of both, the market has something for everyone. When choosing the perfect laptop, consider your priorities: performance, portability, budget, or sustainability. With options like the Dell XPS 15 Gaming Edition, Lenovo Legion Pro X, and Razer Blade 14, the future of laptops has never looked brighter.